Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Christie here. I am going to do a science experiment for you today, and this is something that you guys can do at home as well. It's pretty easy, and I'm just using stuff that is in my house, in my kitchen. So let's get started. Okay. So what I'm going to start with is I have a cup of water here. It's 2/3 of the way full. And then I have this pan right here, cake pan, casserole pan, or whatever you want to call it, that I'm going to put my cup in so that way when we have an eruption, a colorful eruption, it goes inside my pan and not all over my counter. The things we're going to use today is we're going to use dish soap, baking soda, we're going to use vinegar, and we are going to use, I am using gel food coloring. You can use regular food coloring. You could also use like a tempera paint that you can throw in there, a washable liquid paint. So you can do any of those. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my baking soda and I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons. So a tablespoon is a big measuring spoon like this. And it doesn't have to be exact. If you want, you could actually use more baking soda than what I'm using. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my teaspoon, which is a smaller spoon, and I'm going to put a teaspoon of dish soap. And you can use any dish soap. And it looks pretty cool when you have it all in there. The dish soap gets all swirly and kind of floats in there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take something to stir it with. I'm just going to use my butter knife that I have, and I'm going to stir it together. And then I'm going to take my food coloring that I have, and I'm going to use green and yellow. And I'm going to put a decent amount of that in there. And I'm just going to do a quick stir on that. I haven't used the green and yellow yet, so we'll have to see what it looks like. Okay, once our food coloring and those ingredients are in there, I'm going to take my vinegar and I'm going to put it inside my measuring cup. I have a 1 cup measuring cup here. You could put it in a glass if you would like. And you could use more than 1 cup because you can continue to pour it and it will do its eruption. Okay. And looky there. We have like a neon green color. And with the baking soda and the vinegar, it causes a chemical reaction that makes it bubble up like this. And the soap helps it makes it super bubbly and foamy, so we have a really big eruption. And I'm done with my 1 cup of vinegar. If I wanted to, I could continue to pour vinegar in there and it would keep on going. So I could keep on doing that until it stops, until there's no more reaction. So I'm going to show you guys what my pan looks like. The colors, you can see the colors really well. Do you see that? And my yellow kind of looks like orange instead of yellow because it wasn't mixed in very well. And then if I wanted to, I could make swirl patterns inside my foam. Pretty fun, right? Well, hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are able to make an eruption yourself. And make sure you send me pictures of your science experiment. See you later. Miss you guys.